Hi guys, it's Steve from the NetSuite team. This video is going to instruct you on how to enter a new vendor. Entering a vendor, we go to Lists, Relationships, Vendors, New. Now if we're going to do an inventory vendor, so a supplier, drop down the category, scroll down to Suppliers, type the company name, and let's say Steve's Pool Supplies. Our payment terms for the vendor. Now normally most suppliers will do a 30-day end of month. So if we type in 3, or if you scroll down using the arrows here, we choose the 30 days end of month. In the email, so we can just go Steve at Steve's Pool Supplies. You can put a phone number. Any alternate phone numbers and fax numbers there would be fine. In the bottom toolbar, we go to our Financial tab and we put in our account. And this is the account number or account name we have with the supplier. So it would either be your franchise name, or if you have an actual account number, you can put that in there. That account number, when you do a purchase order, will auto default onto the purchase order. Our default payables account, always accounts payable, and enter in the vendor's ABN if you're aware of it. And we click Save. If we are going to create a non-inventory vendor, we again go to Lists, Relationships, Vendors, New. In our category, we can choose either a consultant, a franchise partner, but tax agency, or we can just go with general. And let's say we're going to go with BP Fuel. 9 out of 10 times you'll have a cash on delivery when you're purchasing it on site. If you had a fuel card, you may also put the date of the month that you actually get charged or have to pay your monthly bill with them. We'll just put COD here for the moment. We don't necessarily need an email or phone number on a non-inventory supplier. And in our Financial tab, again, our accounts payable is default, and here's where you can set your default expense account for that supplier. So in the case of BP Fuel, obviously we're going to look at being fuel for one of the motor vehicles. So if we go down to our expenses here, into our motor vehicles, and we can just choose either whether the BP Fuel suppliers for our technicians, for our franchise partner, or for other. So if it's yourself that are paying for it, we can put it under the motor vehicles, costs, franchise partner, fuel, franchise partner, default expense account. And we just click Save. And that's how you enter both a inventory supplier and a non-inventory supplier. Thank you very much.